Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about measures of dispersions, very short answer type questions. This video will help for Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana intermediate students. We will expect from this 1-2 marks question surely from this video. Let us have a discussion. The first question. Maximum 5 to 6 questions I am going to discuss in this session. It will help you. So one of the students requested to make this video. I have little time to make this video, still I am doing for the benefit of my channel subscribers as well as viewers. So the first question here, find the mean deviation about mean for the data 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 12, 16. So first what you have to do is, the given data you have to write it. So here the given data, the data information you need to write. 6, the data means the observations. 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 12, 16. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the number of observations. So, the number of observations denoted by n. So, here n is equal to 8. So, when number of observations are 8, so the mean of these observations you can calculate. So, mean for this. So, mean denoted by x bar, that is equal to sigma xi by n, that you can denote. Sigma xi means the sum of these values you have to write it. 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 divided by n value is 8, that is equal to, if we add these 13, 10, 23, 23, 12, 35, 35, 13, 48, so 48, 12, 60, 60, 20, 80. So 80 by 8. So which is equal to 10. Therefore, x bar, the mean, is equal to 10. Till this step, you will get 1 mark. So total 2 marks question only, no? So the deviations of the observations from the given mean, that we can calculate. The deviations of the observations means x, x1, x2, x3, like this xi, from the mean. What is the meaning of this statement? The deviations of the observations from the mean, that means, that is mod xi minus x bar. X bar means mean of these values. So here total 8 are there, no? 8 mod x minus xi minus x bar values you can calculate. So 1 by 1 we will calculate. So first 6 minus 10, mod 6 minus 10, comma mod 7 minus 10, comma mod 10 minus 10, mod 12 minus 10, mod 13 minus 10, comma mod 4 minus 10, mod 12 minus 10, and mod 16 minus 10. So these values are, so within modulus it will be plus only, no? So that are the absolute values. Therefore, whatever we are getting minus plus is there, no modulus if we are taking, no, the absolute values, the absolute values of the observations, of the deviations, are, see here 6 minus 10, minus 4 will come within modulus, it will become plus. So, which are 4, mod 7 minus 10, that means minus 3, within modulus it will become plus 3. So, 4, 3, next 10 minus 10 is 0, 12 minus 10 is 2, next 13 minus 10 is 3, next 4 minus 10, mod minus 6 it will become plus 6, mod 12 minus 10 that is 2, and 16 minus 10 that is 6. So, these are the absolute values of the deviations, mean deviations. So, after getting these values, for this also the mean deviation about the mean, the mean deviation about the mean. For this again you can calculate sum of these numbers by number of observations. The mean deviation about the mean is sigma mod xi minus x bar divided by number of observations. So, that is, so 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8, 6 by 8. So, if you add all these values, you will get 26 divided by 8. So, 8 3s are 24. So, 0.24 means 2 will come. So, point if you take 8 2s are 16, 4 will be there, 8 5s are. Therefore, the value, the mean deviation, it is denoted by simply mean deviation in brackets capital MD is equal to 3.25. I hope you understand it, students. We will move on to the next question. Here mean deviation about mean, one question we discussed. Now, mean deviation about median also we will discuss one question. This complete question is over. The question number 2, find the mean deviation, about median for the data four, 6, 9, 3, 10, 13 and 2. So, the mean deviation about the median, whenever the question is asking mean deviation about the median, first you have to arrange the observations in ascending order. The ascending order of the observations in the given data, So, first ascending order means small to big, no? So, 2, after that 3, after that 4, after that 6, after that 9, after that 10, after that 13. So, we arranged in that. So, how many number of observations? And here n is equal to 7. Number of observations are 7 are there. So number of observations are 7, which is an odd number, which is odd. Whenever the observations are odd, the median of the given, whenever it is odd, therefore the median of the given data, is, median means represented by capital M, that can be n plus 1 by 2th term. What is n here? 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2, that means 8 by 2 means 4th term. So from this data, what is the 4th term? Here this is the 4th one. So I am underlining here. 4th one is 6. That you can subtract from all the observations, like in previous problem. So the next, the 4th term in the ascending order series, that is capital M is equal to 6 number from this table. The deviations of the observation, the deviation of observations from the median, or, so here mod xi minus m. So 1 by 1 we will do that. Mod 2 minus 6, comma mod 3 minus 6, comma mod 4 minus 6. So we cannot take absolute values, means we can take it. Mod 6 minus 6, mod 9 minus 6, mod 10 minus 6, and mod 13 minus 6. So therefore absolute values we can write it now. The absolute values, of the deviations are 4, 3, 2, 0, 3, 4 and 7. So for this you can calculate the mean. So how many observations are there? 7 are there. So therefore the mean deviation about the median, therefore the mean deviation from the median is, mean deviation denoted by capital MD, that is equal to sigma mod xi minus m divided by number of observations. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 divided by n is equal to 7. So if we add 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 7, 23, 23 by 7. So by 7 table it will go by 7 3s are 21. So point 2 will be there, 7 2s are 14. So 7 will be left. So 7 9s are 63. So approximately that value. So that's all. This is the way you can calculate the mean deviation about the median. Whenever the same case, if the number of observations is even, how to do that type of question also we will discuss now. So question number 3, if that is a even number, how to do that? Find the mean deviation, about median for the data 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 12 and 16. Ascending order of the mean deviation for the given data. So the ascending order of the observation in the data given data is, so start from here, 4 is the less one, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, again 12. Why? Because twice is there, we need to write it. After that 13, after that maximum one is 16. So after writing ascending order, how many number of observations are there to write? Here the number of observations n is equal to 8, which is an even number. So whenever it is even number, in the previous problem it is an odd number, no? Whenever odd number, median of the given data is m is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, we wrote it. But here whenever it is even number, here the median of the given data, therefore the median of the given data, capital M is equal to, here even numbers are there, means 4th term plus 5th term by 2. So according to this question it is 4th term. That means from here it is 4th, from each side it is 4th. From beginning of the series, from ending of the series, 4th term. Here 5th term, 4th and 5th, which is equal to, so what is the 4th term here? 10. What is 5th term? It is 12 divided by 2. So 22 by 2, that is equal to 11. Therefore m is equal to 11. So after getting these values, the deviations of observations from median, so therefore the deviations of observations from the median are mod xi minus capital M, that is equal to, what are there? One by one we will write it. Mod 4 minus 11, comma mod 6 minus 11, mod 7 minus 11, mod 10 minus 11, mod 12 minus 11, mod 12 minus 11, mod 13 minus 11, like determinant, mod 16 minus 11. So these values, if we calculate the absolute values, therefore the absolute values of the deviations deviations are, so 4 minus 11 is mod minus 11 is 7, so 5, 4, 1, 1, 1 again, 2, comma 5. These are the information. So, for this also the mean deviation from the median, the last step, the mean deviation about deviation from the median, is mean deviation MD sigma mod xi minus m by number of observations. So, 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 divided by number of observations 8. So, 7 12 plus 12 plus 6 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 2 21, 21 5 26, 26 by 8. So, 8 3s are 24. So, 2 is there. So, 8 2s are 16. 4 will be there. 8 5s are 40. So, therefore, 3.25 is the mean deviation. I hope you understand, dear students. We will move on to more 2 questions. Total 3 questions we covered. So, question number 4. In this, find the variance. Now, the question is find the variance for the discrete data six, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. So, first for the find the variance they are saying now. So, find the variance of the discrete data means first mean of the given data you calculate. So, first given data, that means observations 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. So, mean of this data, mean of the given data, x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. So, that we can add all, which is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 by n. N is equal to 8. So, 13 plus 10, 23 plus 12, 35, 35 plus 35 plus 12 plus 12. So, all will become 72. 72 by 8 means 8 9s are. So, therefore, x bar is equal to, after getting that mean, deviations you can calculate, mean deviations, which are called mean deviations. So, the deviations of observations the deviations of observations. The deviations of observations from the mean. From the mean means from the given. From the mean. Mean means x bar only one. Or xi minus x bar. Like this modulus you can calculate. Anyway it will become plus. So for all you can calculate mod xy x bar value is 9 now. So 6 minus 9 comma 7 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 12 minus 9, 13 minus 9, 4 minus 9, 8 minus 9 and 12 minus 9. So these values is, if you calculate the absolute values, therefore the absolute values of mean, sorry, of the deviations, the absolute values of deviations are, so 6 minus 9 is 3, minus 3 will come, but modulus is there now, so 3. Next 2, next 1, next 12 minus 9 is 3, 13 minus 9 is 4 and 4 minus 9 is 5 and 8 minus 9 1, 12 minus 9 is 3. So for this you need to, they are asking variance. Variance formula is what? This is a different formula. The variance of the given data. The variance denoted by sigma square, that is equal to sigma mod xi minus x bar whole square by n. This is the formula for variance. So that means the sum of the squares of the above data, absolute values, that you can write it 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 1 square plus 3 square divided by 8. So which is equal to, if you add all, so 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25, one more sorry, 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 1 plus 9 divided by 8. So if you add all these values, so 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 25, 10 plus 25 35, 35 plus 25 60, 60, 65, 65 plus 9 74, 74 by 8. 8 9s are 72, so point 2 is there, 8 2s are 16, after that 4 will be there, 0 you can take it, 8 5s are 40, so 9.25. This is the way we can do that. Find the variance of the discrete data means this is the way you can do, dear students. First what we have to do, for the given data find mean, after that mean deviations, absolute values calculate, sigma square, that is the way. So last question in this session. Here variance and standard deviation also we will calculate. So question number 5. Find the variance, and standard deviation for discrete data 5, 12, 3, 18, 6, 8, 2, 10. So variance and standard deviation. Standard deviation means root of variance, that's all. If you calculate variance, obviously it will come. So first what we have to do, mean of find the variance and standard deviation for discrete data. So like previous problem, we need to proceed. At last standard deviation, only for that we can find square root. That is the only difference. Remaining it is as usual. So first what we have to do is here, the mean of the given data you can calculate directly steps. Simple steps I am giving. Mean of the given data. So sigma xi by n. So how many observations are there? Here n is equal to, since instead of that here n is equal to 8. So 5 plus 12 plus 3 plus 18 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 10 divided by 8. So 12, 17, 17, 3, 20, 20, 40, 40, 50, 50 plus 14, 64, 64 by 8. 8 8s are 64. So therefore the mean means x bar. So simply x bar is equal to 8. After the deviations you can calculate the deviations of the observation. The deviations of the given observations from the mean. Observations from the mean are mod xi minus x bar. So mod 5 minus 8, mod 12 minus 8, mod 3 minus 8, mod 18 minus 8, mod 6 minus 8, mod 8 minus 8, mod 2 minus 8 and mod 10 minus 8. So if you calculate the values, the absolute values of deviations, the absolute values of deviations are 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, next 10, 2, 0, 6 and 2. So for this you can calculate sigma square, that means the variance. The variance that is equal to sigma square, sigma mod xi minus x bar square by n, that is equal to 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 10 square plus 2 square plus 0 square plus 6 square plus 2 square divided by n. N means what? 8. That is equal to 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 100 plus 4 plus 0 plus 36 plus 4 divided by 8. So 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 100, 150, 150 plus 40, 194 plus 4, 190. So 25 and 150, 150 for 190 plus 4, 194 by 8. So by 8 table, 8 2s are 16, so 34 is there. 8 4s are 32, so 2 is left. 8 2s are 16, so again 8 5s are 40. Therefore, the value of sigma square, that means variance, is 24.25. It is approximately 25 only, no? So therefore, the standard deviation equal to root sigma square, that is equal to sigma. So root sigma square value is 24.25. So it is approximately root 25 means 5, approximately less than 5 means it will be 4.9 something will come. You can write like this, it's not approximately. I hope you understand, students, the measures of dispersion. Once again, I will recollect that all. This is question number 1. Slowly, problem by problem, you understand that, you will get easily. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do subscribe. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra. All the best for the exams.